Hey guys, so I'll tell you how to get anime clips for edits. So I'll be telling you two ways. So the first way is by YouTube, and the second way I'll tell you later. And so just stick around with the video. So first thing first, search for anime twixtor clips on your YouTube, and you'll find a bunch of clips on your YouTube. You will just copy the link and search for YouTube video download, and go to any of these websites and download the video. This is the first method. The second method is to download and get clips from these three websites I'll be linking down in the description. You'll get the Trickster clips, so also the quality will not be compromised. Every website that I'll be showing here has Trickster quality clips. So yeah, you can, and all of this is for free. So you can go to any of these websites and just download it. As you can see, I've there are three of them. I'll link them down in the description. Just go check them out and download. You can even do the first method of YouTube, but I personally would prefer to go to the websites and download it, as they have more animations and like more better clips, and the amount of the quality will also be better. So yeah, just whatever your preferences, go and download it. And yeah, this was the full guide of how to download and get anime clips for edit. So yeah, that was the video, and thanks for watching.